In the heart of some deserts, nature crafts a unique spectacle known as desert glass. Formed by intense heat, often from meteor impacts or ancient lightning strikes, these glass pieces scatter across the sand, silent witnesses to Earth's fiery past. Libya's deserts are rich with such glass, a stunning result of a meteor impact tens of millions of years ago, offering glimpses into our planet's natural history. Scientists study these rare fragments to understand how high-energy events shape our ecosystems and potentially influence climate patterns. By unraveling the mysteries of desert glass, we gain insights into Earth's climate history and underscore the importance of preserving these natural artifacts for environmental research.